Hello everybody. In today's episode of Man Made, we're going to make a banana and walnut cake. Now all you need is bananas, store-bought custard, I'm cheating today, whipped cream, walnut pieces, we're using digestive biscuits today for the layers, and a 7 by 11 inch Pyrex dish, which works out to about 17 by 27 centimetres. You grab a handful of walnuts, cut them up, and always a taste test. Always got a taste test. Very important that you taste test. And you get your banana. I'm using 4 bananas in today's recipe. And you just slice the banana up like so. You want soft bananas. You don't want the hard ones, the green ones, so you get yellow bananas. The yellower the better. Even if they've got the brown marks on the skin, even better. Very simple recipe. You put it together, whack it in the fridge. They actually call it a banana icebox cake because back in the day, when they didn't have a fridge to put it in, they used to make the cake and put it in the icebox for it to set for about 4 to 6 hours, and they'd have a nice yummy banana icebox cake. You can put any different flavours in there, I guess, not just banana. Go wild. Next you get your pie dish, open your biscuits up. I mean, you can crumb these up and put like a cheesecake base. I think this way's easier and quicker. And you just break up your biscuit as you go. Don't worry if it comes up a bit, it's all good. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can break them down to size as you need, where you need them to fit. And that's that. Bananas are ready, walnuts are ready. Now the fun part, guys. We get to use a power tool in the kitchen. Hey, who said cooking's no fun? So you get your custard. You're not going to whip your custard. You get your whipped cream. This is what you're going to whip. This is why we're using the power tool, guys. You whack your cream in there. Get it going. And you just whip your cream. I normally start on slow. I don't put any sugar in because you don't need it. And then you just whack up the power. Just keep doing that till soft peaks form. There's your whipped cream. Got your whipped cream. And you get your custard. Pour the custard into the whipped cream mix. This is who you hear in the background, Little Rainbow.
He's interested to see what you're doing. Oh, I love banana.
He's another taste tester. Loves to taste everything. And there's Max over there. He wants a banana too. I'm thinking you all know Max by now. This is Max. Max likes bananas too. He's another official taste tester. Then you fold the whipped cream with the custard. You can keep some whipped cream for later as a topping, but I'm just putting it all in together. Guys, this is going to be delicious. You're going to love it. Tastes delicious. Tastes beautiful as always. So that's done. Beautiful. Okay, so get any sort of a spoon, pour the custard layer in. You can spoon it in or you can pour it in from the bowl. I just like to spoon it in. And then you just level it out. You can drizzle some walnuts in. It doesn't have to be walnuts, it can be any nuts of your choice. Then you put another layer of biscuits. So you just keep layering your biscuit layering. You could almost call it a banana lasagna. Then you get the bananas and you put a layer of bananas in. Just keep layering, layering. So you do 1 layer of bananas. I'm going to leave a few for the top. And you put some more walnuts in. You can even break them up even smaller. What I'd do, I'll get a handful and just crush them up. Then you put another layer of the custard whipped cream filling over the top. Smooth it out. Then you get your biscuits. And this will be my final layer. Just finishing off the final layer of biscuits. The last biscuit. Yeah, good. Put the remaining bananas in there. Get more walnuts. Or any nut of your choice. Does not have to be a walnut. Sprinkle them in. Done. Get the remainder of your filling, which is topping now. Scoop it out. Pour it in. Make sure you get all of that delicious goodness that's in here. Don't want to waste anything. Scrape it all out as much as you can. Flatten the top. Taste test. And sprinkle a few more walnuts on top. Once you're done sprinkling the walnuts, whack it in the freezer, icebox, for anywhere from 4 to 6 hours, make it set nicely, and then we'll take it out and cut it up and show you what it looks like. So that's it, my man-made banana and walnut icebox cake.